From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, everyone. I'm student meteorologist Logan Williams with your Campus Weather Service here with this forecast for Friday, September 21st, 2018. Live look at Beaver Stadium right now. It is about 68 degrees with some cloudy skies over the stadium. Dew point's about 66, so it's still pretty humid out there. You can definitely feel it when you're walking around. Visibility of 10 miles and a south-southwest breeze of about 10 miles an hour. That breeze does kick up every once in a while. Live look temperatures across the state. It is 68 in State College, 67 Williamsport, 68 Harrisburg, 66 Philadelphia. The warm spot being Erie, which is up at 76 degrees. We zoom out across the Northeast. You can see 69 in New York, 62 in Boston, 70 in Syracuse, and then a cool 57 up here in Portland, Maine. So, looking at the temperature forecast, you can really see that cold front that comes in through from the northeast. So here, this is at 11 p.m. The cold front's through our area. It's knocking on Northumberland County's door here, entering Huntington County. 67 in State College, 64 in Johnstown, 62 in Bradford. Meanwhile, where the front hasn't come through yet, still 76 in Harrisburg and 72 in Philadelphia. After the front comes through, really warm, cools down. You can see across the western part of the state, lows in the low 50s, maybe even some 40 readings every now and then. And then over in the southern part of the state, you have widespread 60s. As we get into the day on Saturday, high temperatures, pretty good bet they're going to be around in the 60s for most of the state. Maybe a little bit warmer up in here in the eastern part of the state with 70 in Allentown, 76 Philadelphia. Then a little cooler up in Bradford at 58. But for the most part, most of the state's probably going to be in the 60s. Saturday into Sunday morning, you can see the temperatures come down again, with the northern half of the state being in the low 50s, upper 40s, the southern half of the state being in the mid to upper 50s. Live look at radar right now, you can see a little bit of showers popping up over York, Lancaster, Berks counties. Then there's some drizzle statewide that the radar doesn't quite pick up, but for the most part, it's pretty quiet regional radar. But when we zoom out, we see our story for later today. There's the front right now from Michigan into Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri. So that front is going to be pushing eastward through the day today, and it's what's going to bring us our fun weather this evening. So live look at the future weather radar. You can see that front really come through and hammer a lot of the state. So this is 11 p.m. The front's already through State College. It's here across the southern or central part of the state. Behind the front, it's mostly showery, some clouds. In front of the front, you're still going to be getting that humid southern air. The front should come through about 9 to 11 p.m. And then after the front rolls through, again, mostly partly cloudy skies overnight. The clouds really start to come in through the day Saturday and get locked in across a good chunk of the state on Saturday. So with that front coming through, we do have the risk for severe storms across the state. So for the northwestern part of the state, you have this enhanced risk here for Franklin, Bradford, and Erie counties. The northwestern part of the state is going to be more at risk for tornadoes, hail, and damaging winds. As you get more eastern into the state, the risk becomes more of just a strong winds kind of risk that we'll have to keep an eye out on. So today's forecast, a high of 76 with partly cloudy skies. Again, that breeze could be up there around 10 miles an hour or so. For tonight, it'll be a low of 57. We do have those evening storms coming through, as I said earlier, between 9 to 11 p.m. After that, should just be partly cloudy skies, maybe some spotty showers here and there. The wind between 5 and 10 miles an hour, but of course, if you get in on those storms, you could get some more gustier winds. And then tomorrow, a high of 65 with mostly cloudy skies. Most of the state's going to be locked in those clouds. And then a little bit of a north breeze, but not too much. So today is game day, Friday night game, late night game in Champaign, Illinois. So we have a kickoff temperature about 60 degrees at 9 p.m. There might be some spotty clouds here and there, but those will clear out for the rest of the game. We go into the mid-50s around halftime and low 50s for the fourth quarter. So it will be a chilly ending to the game. So we look at our 7-day forecast. Friday, evening storms, again, 9 to 11 p.m. time frame. Look out for those strong winds. Low of 57. Saturday, a high of 64 with those mostly cloudy skies, low of 52. Sunday and Monday, similar story, partly cloudy skies, highs in the mid-60s to low 60s, and then lows in the mid to upper 50s. So you look at the rest of the week. Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies with a high of 67, low of 65. Wednesday, some morning showers possible, then clearing out through the day, high of 71, low of 53. And then Thursday, sun comes back out with mostly sunny skies, a high of 74. From your campus weather service, I'm student meteorologist Logan Williams. Have a great weekend.